Hey everyone, welcome to Vet Visit. I am Hansika Singh and I am a veterinary student. If you are going to be hostelized soon, then you should be aware of some rules in a hostel as these may apply to yours as well. So let's get started with this video. Rule number 1. As many of you must already be knowing that most girls' hostels don't allow girls to leave the hostel after a certain time in the evening. And that time may vary between 7 to 10 pm and this time is fixed by a hostel, which means you are expected to stay in the hostel before that time. Also, no exits can be made before 5:30 or 6 in the morning. However, relaxation in the hostel timings is allowed for PG and PhD students, and on the other hand, there are no such rules on hostel timings in the boys' hostel. Rule number 2. Electronic items like kettle, water heating coil, induction stove, iron box are not allowed in a hostel, and if found with a student, they can even be confiscated. Rule number 3. Ragging of any form is strictly prohibited inside the hostel, and so you may find anti-ragging posters at multiple spots in the hostel as reminders. Rule number 4. Students should not consume tobacco, alcohol or any drug item inside the hostel. Rule number 5. Students going outside the girls' hostel for any reason must make an entry in the in-out register, and they need to fill in the details like their name, ID number, hostel room, the place where they're going and its purpose, and their phone number, etc. Rule number 6. Each time a student from the girls' hostel visits their home, they need a permission letter from the warden well in advance, which needs to be shown at the time when they're leaving to the security. Also, like in-out register, they need to fill in the necessary details like their home address, their parents' phone number in the homegoing register. Rule number 8. In most girls' hostels, no male family member of any student can enter inside the girls' hostel. Coming to the last one. So there are mess meetings that take place regularly in a hostel, and discussions about the food menu, deciding the mess bill and taking the feedback from the hostlers about the food usually take place. Students are instructed to attend those mess meetings. So that's it for this video. I tried to familiarize you all with some general rules for the girls and boys hostel. Also, these rules may vary from one hostel to another. So if you found this video useful, then please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to Vet Visit, then yes, please do. While subscribing, do hit the bell icon so that you're always notified whenever a new video comes up. Also, do follow the Instagram and Facebook page of Vet Visit as well. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals like you always do.